Hello guys, it's your boy again, James O. Charles. Uh, we are here again to tell us about our 5 SBD daily for 3 minus weekly. So, the first post we made was 2 days ago, and on that first post, we were able to see 44 cents. Now, the second post we made was yesterday, and on that post, we saw 3 cents. And our plan is to give 3 minus 5 SBD every week. So every week we will be selecting new minors to be given this offer. Once you have been given the offer anytime, you will not be able to partake in it for the next 1 month. In another 1 month again, you can now partake again in it, and once the pool is being drawn, then if your number is being picked, automatically you definitely be given the 5 SBD. Now this 5 SBD is going to be sent to you if you win on Sundays. Okay, so we're going to have 6 posts. The 7th post is going to be the post for winners. Now, where do we want to get this SBD from? That takes us to BitConnect. That takes us to BitConnect. So we are trying to open our BitConnect account. I don't know why the network is so slow this morning. Maybe we should type in the address bitconnect.co. Okay, now while we're waiting for that to open, let me quickly show us something that we need to take note of. Now, on our first post that we made, we had some comments, about 17 comments, mostly are from me. Now, from this comment, there was a particular thing that I saw, and I want us all to take notice of it, so that whenever we are applying, we would know what to do. So now, let's go to the comments. Now, this person gave us an upvote. That's good. We thank you for that. This person says it's a good idea, and how we're going to select the minors. It's going to be a random thing. It's not that we'll have a way of which we will select those minors. Then this is what I want us to take note of. This guy said, this is really cool. I like the idea of the selflessness. Give it to me. Now, this person could have qualified to be number 1, but the point is that he was not following up. He did not upvote the post, and neither did he listen. That was why we had to disqualify him. Now, if you look at this last guy here, okay, yeah, this guy requested for it, so we gave him number 1 position because he voted, he esteemed, and he followed. Now this guy has made another post again 2 hours ago, so I will check him whether he has voted, he has esteemed, and if he is actually following us. Now let's quickly go to our BitConnect account, because that's where we want to make our main point of discussion from. So I'm trying to log into my BitConnect account now. I'm proving that I'm not a robot. Good. So I'm signing in. Now, what you want to look at is here. This is our main bone of contention. Now, let me quickly briefly explain to us how this is going to work. My total investment right now is $200, and I intend to make it up to $500. I don't have the capital right now to raise $500 and start investing, but with the help of you guys, by upvoting this post, we'll be able to raise it up to $500. With this $200 in my account, I'm making an average of $2 per day. Now $2 per day in a week is $14. It's not even enough to give to the people who want to give it to. That's why we are employing you all to vote this post. If you vote this post, we will be able to raise enough capital and we'll add it to this investment. So on daily basis, once we are able to raise it to $500, on daily basis we'll be making like $5. Now when we make $5 every day, from it we'll be able to pay the minors that we want to help. Okay, that's why I said anytime we make a post, all you need to do is just simply upvote the post, redeem, and then follow us so that you'll be able to know the latest updates as regard to the post, as regard to the giveaway. So if you have not yet upvoted this one, please go through our wall and upvote it. Your upvote means a lot to us. We are employing all whales out there, all minors out there, and all dolphins out there to please kindly come and help us. Okay, just give us your upvote and redeem, even just only 10% of your upvote that you can give to us. It will be what appreciated. We love you and we expect you guys to really assist us in this. And there's nothing much to say than just that if you guys could help us to raise $300, we'll be able to give out $5 each to 3 people every week. Thank you and God bless. See you tomorrow.